Hi friends and welcome back to my channel, The Crazy Boss. Today we are going to make liquid slime. Alas, let's start with the ingredients. You'll need a bowl, boric acid, a half bowl of water, and the main ingredient. These boric acid and main ingredient. You can take any PVA glue, but I want to make liquid slime, so I take this clay glue. You can take any clay glue. So I have taken it my company glue. This slime. It's crazy boy. So it's blue shadow glue, clay glue. Just blue shadow. Let's start with it. What you have to do with the boric acid is, if you want to make less activating solution, you can write how to make activator another video. I'm telling you. You want to make less activated solution for one use, take half bowl water and take half teaspoon, this size of spoon, half spoon of boric acid, and mix it for 10 to 20 minutes. And if you want to 1 ml, take 1 bowl and 1 full teaspoon of boric acid. So let's start with it. I have already made it. Really make it stale because it never releases solution better and it can be stored after making stew. Let's start with it. First, I will be pouring the. You can take any PVR glue like Fevigum, Fevicol, Camel, and white glue. So let's start with the glue. Pour all the glue. I give you a suggestion. I'm taking the full. It's a 30 rupees. Reasonable one. If you're adding Fevigum, add it slowly because Fevigum is curdling its solution. So we have poured all the Fevigum. So I have poured it here. Oh. So I take a mixture. Please take a wooden pencil or anything which will make it nice. Don't take any spoon. Look, it's glue. When you mix it, observe that air bubbles appear. That's a nice mark. Disorder. Now I will add slowly. Look, I've taken 1, 3, 4, 5. 5 drop the solution. So may your glue take much time, need to add too much drops. It doesn't matter because every glue takes different quantity of to making it. So I'm mixing it. It haven't taken the part of slime. Some white globes of want under my slime, so I am taking some two, 3, and I am adding 3 drops more. 3, 4, 5, and 5 more drops. So I've taken 1 more half spoon of solution. Mixing it. So I've added another full teaspoon of that, and I'm mixing it. Now it's changing the form. It became like a glob, something white turning under the slime. When you're making it to white or PV, any other PV, it will be sensitive because later on you may add more that. So I'm touching it. If it comes on your finger, it means it's not in fine. I'm adding one more teaspoon of it. I mix it. It's forming. And look at the corners, it's forming. New. So friends, I'm making it in my solution, and now I'm touching it. So I'm adding one more teaspoon of it. You can take any amount of it. Don't be too much tense because mirror slime won't change the form. Yippee! It started changing its form. Look, I'm making a giant slime, so it may take time. One more big spoon of it, and dissolving it, friends. Look how it's changing form and fit. This is no dirt slime. Look, it's formed. So let's start with it. After I made with this white or any Fevicol, you may need to sense it very fast. So I've been taking newspaper, place it at it. So here we're taking on newspaper. So it's too much that one. So I'm adding a little bit of more solution. Dissolve that solution. You can look like the cottage cheese has curdled in milk. So not chance for hand. Take your hand. Slime is here. Yeah, it's baby one. Look. Dip it in water more because may some small particles under the